Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me today. Today I actually have a new phone. I'm very excited. And I'm hoping the video quality and sound is a lot better. So we are going to get excited. We're going to get started. Are you excited? My hands are a little shaky today. I have been running around. My husband and I are going on vacation tomorrow, and we're going to Egypt and Jordan, and there's a lot to do. There's a lot of paperwork. There's a lot of stuff to get ready, get the house ready. We have somebody, come in the house and watching the cat in the house and all of that, but it's still a lot of work and trying to get everything done I need to get done business-wise, and I'm running a tad behind, so not all of it may get done, but we're going to do our best. Okay, so today I have a cute little 3D item. Oh, I want to tell you first, we have free shipping today. Yesterday, today, and tomorrow, 3 days free shipping on any orders of $75 or more in merchandise. It can be from online exclusives, the mini catalog, the annual catalog. Free shipping is great. We also have our starter kit special, which is $35, and you get to pick $125 in product, or you can spend $99 and get $189 in product. Either way, you get $90 in free product. So it's a great deal. If you were to join today, and there's a link below in the video where you can join my team and put in your starter kit, and then you'll get your demonstrator ID and you can log into the website. Tomorrow you could do another order and get free shipping. So you get free shipping anyway on your starter kit, but then you could, as soon as you're signed up, if you get it done in time, tomorrow you could place another order, get free shipping and your 20% discount. So, being a demonstrator has a lot more perks than just a good deal on the starter kit. So I just want to let you know that I will be gone. So you can't, I'll be in Chicago most of the day tomorrow at the airport. So I can probably text messages, but for the most part, I will be out of pocket for the next 10 days. So you can go to my website, sandyreese.stampinup.net, or go to StampinCrew.com and just follow the join now or the shop, or you can sign up for classes. Whatever you need to do, you can do online. And so just want to let you know, just because I'm gone doesn't mean the world stops. So we can still sign up. And then I will attempt to check my texts occasionally while I am gone. But I will not have my computer, so I won't be putting in any orders while I am gone, just FYI. So you guys can do that online yourselves. Not hard, very easy to do. Okay, too much. I've been running up and down the stairs, and okay. Deep breath. Before I get started, my friend Kathleen Williams in Wynne, Arkansas, we have a class there every month, and she loves to make treats and things for her church ladies and for other people, and she always gives me a set. So I want to show you everything that she gave me at our last meeting, and then we're going to get on with our project. So this is the first one. She loves little boxes, and I think this is one of the online exclusive fall items that has these pretty two-step stamping pumpkins. I love this. I don't have this set, but after I see this, the little pumpkin leaves and vines, I might have to get that just for those, because they're awesome. So this is a little box here. Oh, it's got a pumpkin cake. So cute. I haven't opened these yet, or else this would be gone. That'll be gone later today. Pumpkin cake. Cute. Okay, and then she sent this one. So this is another little box. This one has a variety of things in it, but it's mostly from the mini catalog. I don't know where the Thankful For is from, but the stamp set's from the mini catalog, and the paper's online exclusive. And this is this pretty natural ribbon. And let's see how this one opens. They often open different ways. Those are stuck down. I just don't want to tear. Oh, here we go. There we go. What snack is in here? Ooh, Belvita Crunchy Limited Edition Pumpkin Spice. Awesome. I love Belvita cookies. So these two open in different ways. So your little boxes can open different ways. Okay, and then she also put this cute little turkey Post-it note in with that one. Okay, now this one is not Stampin' Up, but it is very cute. It is a little happy face acorn that matches that. It says, just like this little acorn has everything inside it to become a giant oak tree one day, you, dear one, have everything inside of you to make your big, beautiful dreams come true. I may be a tiny acorn, but I believe in you. Go do your thing. Tiny Acorn has your back whenever you need a pick-me-up. Super cute. Love it. Okay, that wasn't Stampin' Up, but it was cute. Okay, then she made this. This is using designer paper from the mini catalog, that Christmas one. And it's just this cute little tube of Lifesavers. So, so cute. So many good ideas. Kathleen is always looking for good ideas, and then she makes it happen. I like that one. Okay, then she's made this little pocket with some of that same paper from this. It's that special delivery suite. And then this is from the ginger, well, no, I don't know. They're from different suites, but don't ask me because I don't know. I can't remember all the names. And then look at these. These, they're so funny. They stack together and they're little mini pencils. Mini, very mini pencils. I remember we used to have erasers that kind of stacked, but these are mini pencils that stack. Isn't that cute? It goes perfect. It's the same size as that little gingerbread man. And then this is the last one, and it's another little pocket. It says, have yourself a merry little Christmas. And it's got some of our modern Christmas sweet paper. This is some of the traditional paper. And then it's got two of the straight candy canes. And then look, a light up pen. I do better with a bigger pen. I can write faster. But isn't that cute? I'm going to use this the rest of the year till Christmas is over. You just have to whack it and it lights up. How fun is that? Oh my gosh, so many cute things. Thank you, Kathleen. Okay, now with my project, this is one that we did in our workshops this month. And it's a little box. And it is using the dies from, let me find it here in my mini catalog. It is using the Jolly Delivery Bundle. And Kathleen used a couple of the paper patterns from the designer paper. Now, I'm not using the stamp set today. I'm just using the die. And we've already done a Halloween treat with this die. And today we're going to do a fall treat. And I imagine that we will do a Christmas treat before long. So what we're going to do, and I have used this paper is the Cajun Craze two-tone cardstock, 12 by 12, because I can get 4 out of a sheet. Whereas on the standard cardstock, 8.5 by 11, I can only get 2. So I chose for this one to go with the 12 by 12. So if you want to make a bunch of these, I'd recommend getting the 12 by 12 because it's a little more cost effective. I think we get how many sheets? 12 sheets, and it's let's do a little cost analysis really quick. The 2-tone cardstock, it doesn't show the sheets in there. It's on this page, I think. Well, I thought it was on a separate page. We're gonna find it. I think we're gonna find it. Maybe we're not gonna find it. Okay. So 2-tone cardstock. Oh, page 77. Here we go. I didn't go back far enough. Okay, we get 12 sheets. It's $10. So with 12 sheets, we can get 48. Where's my blinking pen? In one pack for $10, we get 12 sheets times 4 is 48 for $10. So if we do a regular pack of cardstock, it has 24 sheets. 24 and times 2 is 48, so you get the same effect of 2 to do the 12 by 12. All right, I think Amy's coming to pick up an order, so we are going to quickly put this together. And what I'm doing is taking the slot punch side, and I'm using a little liquid glue. If it wasn't clogged, I almost got it unclogged. Hold on. Oh, okay. A little liquid glue just on the flap. Stick my arm in that. And I'm going to adhere it to the side with the slot. Give that a minute to set. I probably put more glue than I needed to. It's going to take longer to set. Let me get my fingers in there. Let that set for a second. Okay. All right, I am all sticky now. All right, so we're gonna fold in our sides, fold up our bottom, and we're gonna put our candy in. So let me show you, I found these little Tootsie Rolls, but they're fall flavors. So we have pumpkin, spice, sweet, cinnamon, I like that one, candy corn, caramel apple. So there's 4 different flavors, but I put 5, I can fit 5 Tootsie Rolls in here. All in side by side with little soldiers. All right. And then we're gonna put in our tabs and just bring this one down. So we had them all fit. I have a fat caramel in there. I'm gonna squeeze it. it was fatter than it needs to be. So next I'm going to take some of our designer paper from the online exclusives, and I'm going to start on the back, lining it up, and then wrap it around, and I just finger press the corners. So I'm going around the short way. Okay, this is longer, this is shorter. And I'll post measurements on my blog. So I finger press that, and then I take it off and I crease it, making sure it's lined up on the sides. And this gives a nice sharp corners and makes everything fit nice and snug. Okay, I'm gonna bring this in, wrap it around, and I want this to slide off. So the glue's just going on that little tab, and I'm adhering it just to the paper to itself. So this is a belly band. That's what we call something that holds your stuff together, but you can slide it off like that. Okay. Now, if you want to give this treat, you can give it, I'm putting, this is the Stylish Shape dies, and you can give it sideways. It'll stand up either way, sideways or tall ways. But I lift the flaps in the front because it looks like a little envelope. It's super cute. Okay, I'm doing early espresso, and this sentiment says, "You're simply the best." I can see to stamp straight. And this is from the Amber Autumn stamp set in the mini catalog. And then I have a little bit of our gold striped ribbon, because we have gold on this paper, which is beautiful. And I am just taking this and wrapping it around with the designer paper. If you wrap it the other way, your belly band is not going to slide off, and they're going to have to tear something apart to get to the candy. So if you wrap it around on top of the paper, they don't have to tear it apart. Now, I've cut my ribbon a little bit long just to be safe, so I'm just going to trim off that extra. And then I just taped it on, and we're going to pop up our sentiment. And I'm popping up on the top and bottom because I want it to stick to the paper and not to the ribbon. If I did it side to side, it would stick to the ribbon, but I'm doing top to bottom. And putting it right there. Now, I had a ton of these left over from another project we're going to do when I come back from vacation. These are the inside of some leaves, and I had like 80 of them, and I didn't want to waste them. So I just took them, and we're going to stick them in there like a little gold branch, and that's our embellishment, and we are done. Isn't that cute? These would be so cute to put on the Thanksgiving table. You know, a little placemat, or put on, you know, if you have it all decorated nice, you just put this on their plate with the napkin behind it or something. I just think these are so much fun. I have some left that I'm going to be using for us for Thanksgiving, and I might have enough for the bank ladies. I always give the bank ladies my extra projects. So that's it for today. Make sure you click subscribe. Don't forget to, you know, if you're interested in that starter kit, it is a really good deal. And then if you would like to place an order online, you'll get a pack of the card class projects we did. I think it was last week. I have some packs going out today. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I get them done. And then over the next few videos, I'm going to be sharing a bunch of cards that I've had saved up and showing those all to you while I'm on vacation. So let's see, who do we have on? Let me know how the video and sound quality is on this. Rita, thank you. Since I had to get a new iPhone and they didn't have any where I lived, I had to have my daughter go pick one up in Little Rock. And then I met her yesterday to pick it up. So I ended up spending like 6 or 7 hours getting my phone and getting it set up. But I'm hoping that the video quality is better than the last one I had. So thanks everybody, and we will see you all soon. All right, bye-bye.